All right, this one's for you, Chance. We're gonna try to start this jet up and just get airborne. We're sitting on an aircraft carrier, and we're gonna start up an F-18 and attempt to go take off. Let's see if we can do this. All right, let me see if I can remember. Okay. All right. Battery on. Okay. Auxiliary power unit on. Wait for the APU to start up. Alright, on. You're going to engine crank right. Wait for our engine speed to get around 25%. We will advance right throttle to idle. Wait for engine speed to come up. Listen for the sound. There we go. Let's close canopy. Bye-bye.
Roll left, roll left.
Alright. Let's see here. Engine.
Flight controls.
Right engine is
Flight
on.
controls.
Turn our displays on. Turn the HUD on. Turn the MPCD on. Alright. Now we can engine crank left. Wait for engine speed to come up. Bring left engine to idle. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Alright, menu. Menu. HSI. Mode. Menu. Where are we at? HSI. Alright. We'll turn our inertial nav to CV for carrier. Radar to operate. FLIR to on. Don't need bleed air. Let's rotate bleed air. Okay, and good. Arm seat. And to the left panel, let's see. Turn oxygen on.
Colt 1, passing waypoint 1 at 500.
Flight control computer reset. Rudder trim reset. Okay, both engines on. We can turn APU off. Alright, what do we got going on up here? Okay, our CV qual. Box standard heading. Alright, I should get an alignment pretty soon. Alright, turn autopilot. IFF to on. TACAN to on. ILS to on. Data link on. Data link 2 on. Okay, what next? Menu. Tactical page, engine page. Alright, engines all look good. FCS page, no problems. Stabilizer is at 12. Let's do wipeout, make sure everything works. Good. Turn on our radar altimeter. Turn on our horizon. Alright. Flaps to auto. Anti-skid to off. Okay. Alright. Let's get some weapons. Rearm. Now it looks like we've got a fairly Standard loadout. Let's see what we got. AIM-9s. Couple dumb bombs. This should be good.
Request refueling. Request rearming.
Alright, let's see here.
Copy.
We've got our alignment is good. Let's take a look. Stores page. Let's go to weapons.
Refueling complete.
Mode is going to be target of opportunity. E-fuse for our weapons. Oops. What did I do? Box 84. Okay. I have not flown in a while. I think I'm missing some things. Oh yeah. ALR 67 system needs to be turned on. Chaff and flare on. Alright, I think the only code we have is a wing unlock. Our wings are folded. I think we're good. Oh. Alright, he is passing me off to this guy, so let's... Oh, forgot. Let's...
Chief, remove the wheel chocks.
Take the chocks out, guys. It's time to go fly. Alright, last thing. How heavy are we? That should be in our checklist. We are 50,000 pounds. That means that our takeoff trim should be around 17. Okay, why is this not working? Let's start taxiing. I think when I fold the wings... Oh. Parking brake. And he's telling me to turn right, make a sharp right. Stop. Go to this guy over here.
Rolling.
Alright, who's he telling me to go to? Oh, here. That guy over there. Alright. Let's get us lined up on the catapult. Alright.
Colt 1, passing waypoint 2 at 5,000.
Little to the right. Little to the right. Little to the right. Straight forward. Little to the right. And stop. Alright. Unfold the wings. Alright. Wings. Unfolding. And make sure they're locked. Alright, no codes. Let's set our trim. Why is my trim not working? 14. Oh. We're going to take off untrimmed. This should be fun. Okay, launch bar down. And start pulling forward. Alright. Almost over the launch bar.
Rolling.
There we go. And we're locked in. Oh, hooked up to the catapult. Alright, retract the launch bar. And there we go. And now he's telling me to wind up the engines. And here we go.
Wheels up.
And full afterburner. Alright. And salute. One, and we wait. And we wait. And we wait. Oh boy. Landing gear up. Flaps to auto. What have I done? What have I done? Okay, here we go.
Passing waypoint 3 at 7,000.
I have done something terrible to my aircraft, and it is not wanting to fly. Okay. Alright. So like I said, we took off with all the wrong trim settings and the plane could not nose down. It still really can't. I don't know what's going on. But let's take a turn around and see what we did.